Okay, so you guys go. Oh my goodness, Finn. Oh. 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 Bailey, your turn.
Bailey thinks it nuts.
Just careful of the yellow snow, hey? Oh, Finn. Who's more exhausted?
Definitely me.
Oh. Help. Where are you, dogs? Oh. Finn, get away from our feet. We can edit this. Oh, having more peewee. Go on, Finn. Finn.
Finn. Come on, bud.
Oh,
There's a lot of work in this snow.
they're going to need some
Come, bud. Come.
a hot shower after this lot, that's for
Come
sure.
on. Good boy. Good boy. Hey.
Oh.
Hey. You like the snow? You can't throw a snowball there.
He says, yeah, but be careful. I can make pretty coloured snow. Mind what you pick up. Hey. 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 You're a lousy shot. Ah!
You have a bad throw.
You got a very bad throw. Gareth, I think the wind is blowing at 25 miles an hour and you still miss. Maybe you should... Ah! That's what you... I could think of a whole lot of words. But this is...